Good morning, class 5. Hope you all are doing your work well on time. And I have given you homework to pre-read chapter 3, the story of Akash. So, Akash is the name of boy in the story. Akash means sky. है ना? The story of sky, we can say. So this story, the story of Akash, revolves around a boy named Ramabhadra Narayan Murthy. In short, we can say Ramu. He was lovingly called Ramu. So this story revolves around Ramu, and during the course of the story, we will be able to see solar eclipse. So here sky is also described, and the story of Ramu is also given in the chapter, the story of Akash. Let us see how sky will help Ramu in the story. Let us read the chapter. Let us read the story of Akash. Well, students, the story of Akash revolves around a boy named Ramabhadra Narayan Murthy. So, he is called Ramu because it is very difficult to learn the name of that boy. He is a little boy and whose name is Ramabhadra Narayan Murthy. It is difficult to learn his name, na? So, now let us see why this story is called the story of Akash, a hero, a protagonist. Ramu comes across with a solar eclipse. So children, you know that sky holds many wonderful things like moon, stars, solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, galaxies. So many things are there in the sky. So now let us read the story. Ramabhadra Narayan Murthy was a very big name for a very little boy. I remember him as Ramu, which was what everybody called him. Everybody called him Ramu instead of Ramabhadra Narayan Murthy. He lived in a small village near the foot of a mountain. His home was a mud hut with a thatched roof. He was living in a kacha house. In a hut he was living. He had helped his family build it, and he had also helped his family to make this hut. Ramu wore a cotton dhoti and a simple jacket. He herded and milked his father's cow and collected firewood. So he helped in household chores and other things to his family. Like he herded animals, he milked his father's cow also, and he collects woods for fire also. He was a playful boy who loved to climb trees and play in expansive green field. He enjoyed playing in large fields. He relished the hot gruel his mother cooked for him on a simmering coal fire. Gruel means gruel means a dish made by boiling oats in water, or so he enjoyed that dish also. So he was living a simple life and he was enjoying that life. Ramu was enjoying his life. One day, Ramu's father sent him on an errand. Errand means a job that involves going somewhere out. So, he was to go to the next village to bring some medicine from the doctor for his sick granny and get back as soon as he could. So Ramu's father asked him to go to the nearby village to bring medicine for his granny. Remember Ramu? Now his father asked Ramu, remember, dhyan rakho Ramu, you must return home right after the job is done. No dilly-dallying, means no need to delay. Just as you complete your work, instantly come back to home. There is a solar eclipse today and you must not be outside under any circumstances. Go fast and come back fast. So his father instructed him well, because we know na kids that during solar eclipse harmful rays are there in the atmosphere. So his father advised him to come back as soon as you finish your work. So Ramu interrupted his father with a child's curiosity. Curiosity means he was eager to know. You can underline curiosity. So he interrupted his father. He asked in between. He just interrupted his father, and in between he asked, "Why is is it dangerous? ये dangerous क्यों है?" During eclipse, the rays reaching the earth are harmful as the sun is not so strong. One is tempted to look at it directly, which can result in losing one's eyesight. So I want you indoor well before noon when the eclipse can be sighted. So उसके पापा ने बोला, his father advised him to come back home well before noon. So run as fast as your legs can carry you. I must finish my work in the field by then too, said Ramu's father, patting him on his shoulder. Ramu's father patted उसकी पीठ को थपथपाया and he asked, run fast as you can. Run as fast as you can. Till then, I'll finish my work in the field. So Ramu was very good child. He filled with a sense of importance and urgency. He understood the urgency and importance of the time, and he walked very fast. Ramu walked fast to the nearby village and reached there in less than an hour. वो 1 घंटे से कम टाइम में ही वहाँ पहुँच गया. There he went straight to the Vaidya. Vaidya means an Ayurvedic doctor. We can say an Ayurvedic physician. So he went to the Vaidya and described his granny's condition, and he described about the condition of his granny. After that, the wizened old man nodded as if he had not heard it all before. So he was that wizened. The Vaidya's face was wrinkled. Okay, because he was also very old. So the wizened old man nodded as he had not heard it all before. जैसे उससे पहले कभी कुछ सुना ही ना हो ऐसे. So he prepared the special medicine. The condition of Ramu's granny was very critical, and he described each and every point of his granny to Vaidya, and Vaidya was very confused. So he prepared the special medicine he always made for frail grannies, constant and apple toothache. The problem was he went off to search for the herbs in the jungle nearby. So the herbs were not available at that time. So Vaidya went to the jungle to collect the required herbs and did not return for an hour. Poor Ramu was getting very, very tense indeed. He was getting very tense because his father instructed him to come back as soon as possible. But Vaidya has gone out to pick special herbs to make medicine for his granny. When finally the old man returned, he spent another 15 minutes pounding and grinding a variety of little green herbs and dried nuts. So when the Vaidya came back, he took 15 minutes more to prepare the medicine. When he had finished, Ramu gave him the bag of grains which his father had sent as a payment and shot off as fast as his legs could carry him. So he followed the barter system in which we just exchange the goods. So he gave, instead of penny, he gave a bag of grains to Vaidya. He paid with a bag of grains. No matter how fast he ran, he could not keep up with the time, which was now close to noon. Now it was time of solar eclipse. Suddenly he realized that he was being followed. Now Ramu realized that someone were following him. The particular stretch of the mud path was lonely, and he knew there were robbers roaming in search of passers by. Would take away the silver anklet I am wearing. So Ramu was in trouble. He started feeling that someone was following him, and there might be robbers and they can rob his silver anklet. He thought Minansing seeming likely to cause harm. उसको लगा कि अब मुझे तो कुछ ना कुछ harm जरूर होगा. Minansing footsteps echoed from the band behind him, and poor Ramu was petrified. He was very frightened. He hurriedly crouched behind a thick bush. वो एक bush के पीछे he just hide himself just behind a bush, bending down on legs. Ramu was petrified. He hurriedly crouched behind a thick bush and hoped his heart was not beating too loud. Then he looked up at me. Looked up. Now Akash is saying describing this. Akash means sky. Then he looked up at me and prayed hard for a miracle. He asked for an extraordinary event that cannot be explained by any scientific laws. So he was waiting for a miracle. Well, though he had not realized the eclipse was almost total by then, and the whole world was growing dark at noon. Ramu had the miracle he wanted. Now, because it was the time for solar eclipse, so everywhere it was growing dark at noon, and it was just like night. I watched with pride the replay of the beautiful drama that had happened many times before. So now the moon, which rotates round the sun, and the earth that rotates round the sun, fall in the line with the sun. So now we know, how does a solar eclipse happen? है ना? When earth, moon and sun comes in a same line. The shadow of the moon covered the sun, and the earth turned dark because the sun rays were cut off. The earth was not able to get the rays of sun. That is why everywhere dark was there. So now it was a miracle for Ramu, and he was able to hide himself from the robbers. है ना? So Akash was helping, sky was helping Ramu. Now Ramu was too scared to even look up at the sky. He heard the robbers right next to him. So Ramu was very scared. He was very terrified. He was petrified because robbers were next to him. Oh dear, he thought, the sky has become dark. This must be the eclipse. Now he noticed that dark is everywhere. So he realized that eclipse is happening. He shut his eyes tight as he heard the robbers stumble away. So he just shut his eyes very tight because his father instructed that do not look into the sky. So he noticed that robbers are going away. Now Ramu's heart beat with joy. The robbers were gone and the eclipse was over. Now robbers already gone and eclipse was also over. So he was very happy. Ramu felt amazed. After what looked like a slice of the night, it was just like a slice of night during the day. It was back to daylight again. Now daylight was there again. How could this be? He wondered. He was very amazed. He started thinking that how could this be? ये कैसे हो सकता है? During the day it became night. So with his head full of questions, now his head was full of questions. Ramu raced back home to his worried parents. Now instantly the thought of his parents came into his mind, and he instantly rushed back to his home. If only he could have seen the pale moon moving away from the sun. Now moon is moving away from the sun. He would have known the eclipse was ending, and it would not be seen again for a long time. It will not occur again for a long time. He was thinking like this. That night Ramu lay on a charpai in his open courtyard. Now Ramu we know that Ramu's head was full of questions, and at that night he just lay on a charpai in his open courtyard, and he gazed. He started looking in the sky at the countless stars that sparkle in the sky. And then he talked to me. He talked to me. Who is speaking here? Sky is speaking. है ना? Sky is explaining this story. So now Sky कहता है, then he looked at me. वो मुझे देखता है. It was a one-side conversation because I could not reply. He was talking to me, he was looking at me, but I was not able to answer his question. It was a one-side conversation only because, anyhow, this is what he said. I wondered what is up there so far away. Now, Ramu's mind, he was very curious to know. He was very curious. He was just thinking about stars, moon, sun, and the sky. How would they look from a close distance? वो कैसे दिखेंगे if I'm just nearby them? They look from a close distance. Someday I want to go up and find out. One day I'll definitely go and I'll find out. So this is very interesting story, the story of Akash. Okay, now let us discuss the MCQs. Okay, now let us discuss multiple choice questions given in your book. Ramu's father sent him to another village to bring medicines. Yes, very good. Ramu's dash was sick. Who was sick at Ramu's home? Ramu's granny. Yes, beta. Ramu had to return early because his father instructed him that what is going to occur. There was a solar eclipse. Yes, very good, bacha. Mark these MCQs in your book. Okay, later on I'll share PDF of question answers with you. Till then, take care.